Come friends, this is the newly released Xiaomi Band 10 and Xiaomi multifunctional desk setup. At the same time, it is also a small speaker. Now this is the previous generation Xiaomi Band 9. Let's see what upgrades there are this time. Let's start the unboxing. User manual, magnetic charger. It is compatible with the previous generation. Let's take a look at the band itself.
Here, this is the Xiaomi Band 10.
If it's not powered on now, looking at it like this, the appearance improvement is indeed not very significant. The strap is worn in the same way, all made of silicone material, still with a metal frame. Let's turn it on and have a look. It still uses a linear motor and the vibration feels very comfortable.
Alright, this is the effect after turning it on.
First, let's see how the bezel is managed. This is the Xiaomi Band 9 and this is the Xiaomi Band 10. The sides are slightly narrower, but it's almost unnoticeable. Like this time, the main improvement is achieving equal width on the top and bottom edges, whereas the Xiaomi Band 9 has a slightly protruding bottom edge. The Xiaomi Band 9 has a 1.62-inch screen and the Xiaomi Band 10 has a 1.72-inch screen. However, when placed together, the difference is hardly noticeable. The brightness this time has been increased. The Xiaomi Band 10 is 1500 nits, while the Xiaomi Band 9 has a maximum brightness of 1200 nits. With 300 nits more brightness, it will be clearer outdoors. Let's look at the weight. The Xiaomi Band 9 is 27.4 grams and the Xiaomi Band 10 is 27.4 grams, exactly the same weight. This time, I think the main upgrade is that the chin is smaller. Then, in this white, especially the light colored dial state, it looks a bit nicer, like it's all screen. Let's wear it and feel it. Wow, this Xiaomi Band is really comfortable to wear. It's lightweight and relatively small, so you hardly feel it on. Take a look at this light colored dial. After narrowing the bottom bezel, the overall appearance has indeed improved. Swipe down for the notification list. Swipe up to enter the app list. Swipe left for the control center. And swipe right for quick widgets. The weather is also displayed in full screen and the heart rate is displayed in full screen too. Oh, this time the UI indeed looks a bit better. Overall, when you look at it, it feels like the entire thing is a screen and the impact is quite strong. In terms of display, I think it has become much clearer, still with a refresh rate of 60 Hz, and it's quite smooth in the settings. Icons are also displayed. The Xiaomi Mi Band 9 only had text, while the Xiaomi Mi Band 10 includes icons. Moreover, this time it supports the heart rate broadcasting feature, which I think many friends are concerned about. This time it is supported. Let's take a look in the App Store to see what software the Xiaomi Band 10 has this time. This time, several mini games have been added. As for wearing the Xiaomi Band 10, there's a bubble pod option and a necklace mode. The Xiaomi Band 9 also has these two modes that, however, let's take a look in the settings. In the system operations, a new desktop mode has been added. At this point, this thing is used. This is also a newly released Xiaomi Band's desktop accessory, which is a small speaker. Let's unbox it and take a look. A connection guide, a manual, a connection cable. It's still C2C.
This here is the desktop setup itself.
Mine is a space silver one and there is also a black version. On the back is its Type-C port and indicator light. Here there is also a microphone. Below there should be its speaker's sound outlet, which is woven, and there are two silicone anti-slip pads. This transparent visor can also be flipped up. Then, after we take it down, it supports 3 Bluetooth connection modes. You can pair it with a phone via Bluetooth, pair it with My Home, or pair it directly with the band. Inside there's also a built-in charger for the Xiaomi Band and it is magnetically fixed. This product not only supports Xiaomi Band 10, but also supports Xiaomi Band 8 and Xiaomi Band 9. Let's connect it and see the result. This product has a built-in battery and this is its charging port. Let's power it on and take a look. Okay. This startup sound is very familiar. Let's put the bracelet in and take a look.
Put it in.
Now we start charging the band. In the band system, we switch to the desk mode. You see, now double click this power button to start connecting. Once connected, it can be used as an alarm clock. Then we'll skip ahead. Now, the Xiaomi Band has entered a brand new system. It's with these emoji expressions like a robot. Let's put it on and have a look. This is quite fun, quite interesting. And let's see. Oh, there are different expressions. Oh, every time you click, it's different.
Emojis. Wow, there are many.
Different kinds. Then swiping left can display the time.
Calendar only.
There are these 3 types. It's pretty nice to put it here as a small desktop accessory. Its best use, in this case, I think you are not using the latest Xiaomi Band 10, because if you put it here, Ken, it's a bit of a waste. If you have an old Xiaomi Band 9 or Xiaomi Band 8 that you're not using, you can put it here, and it can still serve as a small desk decoration. In the My Home app, let's see what features are available. There is hourly overeating, an alarm clock. And after pairing with your phone via Bluetooth, it becomes a small Bluetooth speaker with audio information and voice prompts. How's the sound quality? It's usable, it's usable. We press and hold the microphone button, and then we can
Woke up the cloud assistant.
play a song. It directly controls the phone. What time is it now?
It is currently 9:29 in the evening.
Ah, with just these few playstyles, do you think it is worth buying Juju? Returning to the topic of the wristband, comparing the Xiaomi Band 10 with the Xiaomi Band 9. The main upgrades this time are the larger screen-to-body ratio with uniform upper and lower borders, increased brightness, and support for heart rate broadcasting. Another improvement is with Alipay. Now, with a simple tap, you can make a payment directly without needing to scan a QR code, which is quite convenient. Overall, the upgrade this time is not particularly significant because the functionalities of the Xiaomi Band are already sufficient. Of course, with the Xiaomi Band 9, many friends said that if the bezel could be a bit narrower, making the top and bottom of equal width, it would have no shortcomings and would be basically sufficient. This time it upgraded that aspect, so I think if you already have the Xiaomi Band 9 and are not particularly focused on this bezel upgrade, the significance of the improvement is not that great. If you are using Xiaomi Band 8 or Xiaomi Band 7, this time Xiaomi Band 9 is quite worth upgrading to. It looks very nice when worn. As for a more detailed user experience, after using it deeply for a while, I'll share it with everyone. Also, this time a sprout green color was released, which I think looks pretty good, but it is only available for online purchase. I have already bought it and it should be delivered tomorrow. You get it. See you next time. Bye.